Hello, this is TAC 115, Programming in Python. I am Professor Millard, and on behalf of all of the professors, I want to say welcome, and we are excited to be teaching you this semester. The objective of this class is to introduce you to foundational programming concepts in Python. This course is intended for students with zero prior programming experience. So if you have any prior programming experience, even if it's in another language, please consider enrollment in TAC 116, Accelerated Programming in Python. Because TAC 115 is a course designed for students without prior programming experience, we have a strict no tolerance policy for the use of concepts not taught in this class. Using concepts not taught in this course on your work will be treated as an academic integrity violation. As you prepare for the start of your semester, I want to highlight one important policy. The use of AI tools like ChatGPT are prohibited. The use of these tools on your assignments is considered an academic integrity violation and will be reported. AI has great applications, and you'll have the opportunity to use them in more advanced classes, but not here. This course teaches you to think critically and to code so that you can recognize things like bad AI code. You need to know the basics before you can truly leverage AI. Please note that Googling generates AI solutions, so it's considered an AI tool. Instead of using online resources or even friends, please utilize the course materials and office hours for support in this class. We place a high value on the learning process, and the most successful students learn by engaging in class. So while we do not take attendance, we do expect you to attend class. To be best prepared for class, please make sure that you're reviewing the videos available in each week's module on Brightspace before lecture each week. If you're in my class specifically, we have in-class activities called knowledge checks that are factored into your grade. I encourage you to review the course syllabus available on Brightspace for more information on all course policies. It also provides the grading breakdown, assignment deadlines, and exam dates. So with all the serious stuff out of the way, I just want to say that we think programming is so much fun. It is a unique way of thinking with so many applications. So if you're feeling a little intimidated, I want to assure you that I and all the professors here are here to support you throughout the semester. We look forward to sharing the fun with you and teaching you this semester. See you in class.